students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to write the fraction representing the shaded portion. So whenever we have to find out the fraction representing the shaded portion, basically firstly we have to find out the total number of portions which the shape has, and after that we have to find out the shapes, how many number of that shapes are shaded, and then we can get find out the ratio in order to find out the fraction. So if we start with the part 1, in the part 1 we are given this triangle region. So look here, this triangle is given. So if we calculate, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 shapes, 4 identical shapes are there in this triangle. So we can say that total number of boxes is equals to 4, and out of this 4 boxes, shaded boxes is 2. So we have to find out the fraction. So fraction, or we can say that the ratio, is equals to the shaded boxes divided by the total number of boxes. So there are 2 shaded boxes, divided by there are 4 number of total boxes. So 2 divided by 4 become equals to 1 divided by 2. So from here we can say that 1 divided by 2 is the fraction. Hence the answer to the part 1. Now let's move to the part B. In this part, let's find out the number of boxes it have. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are total 9 boxes. So from here we can say that total number of boxes is equals to 9, and out of that 9, 8 boxes are shaded. So we can say that the shaded boxes is equals to 8. So we can say that the fraction which is equals to the boxes divided by the total number of boxes. So shaded boxes are 8 divided by the total boxes are 9. So from here we can say that the fraction is 8 divided by 9. So this is the answer to the part 2 of this question. So let's start with the part 3. In the part 3, there are circular shapes we are given in this box. So we are going to find out the total number of circular shapes which are having here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So from here we can say that in the third part, total shapes are 8. And out of this total shapes, 4 are shaded. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from here we can say that shaded shapes are 4. So from here we can say that the fraction is equals to shaded shapes divided by the total shapes. So shaded are 4, so that is 4 divided by the total are 8. So we can say that the fraction is equals to 4 divided by 8, or we can also write this as 1 divided by 2 or 4 divided by 8. So this is the answer to the part 3 of this question. Now let's move to the part 4. In the part 4, we can say that this circular ball is divided into 4 sections, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from here we can say that in this part total shapes are 4. And out of this 4, shaded shapes is only 1. So from here we can say that the fraction is equals to the shaded shape divided by the total shape. So shaded shape here is 1 and the total shapes are 4. So from here we can say that the fraction here is equals to 1 divided by the. Now look in this fifth part, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In total 7 boxes are there, out of which 1, 2 and 3 boxes are shaded. So from here we can say that in the part 5th, total boxes is equals to 7, and out of this shaded are 3. So from here we can say that the fraction is equals to the shaded boxes divided by the total boxes. So shaded are 3 and out of this total are 7. So from here we can say that the fraction here is equals to 3 divided by 7. So this is the answer to the part 5th of this question. So look here, in this part 6 we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Total 12 shapes are there, out of which only 3 shapes are shaded. So from here we can say that in the 6th part total shapes is equals to 12 and out of this shaded shapes is equals to 3. So from here we can say that the fraction is equals to shaded divided by the total. Shaded is 3 divided by the total is 12. So from here we can say that 3 divided by 12, or we can also write it as 1 divided by 4. Now let's move to the part 7. In this part 7 we have to find out the total shapes. So total shapes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 total number of shapes, and out of this 10 all 10 are shaded. So we have to find out the fraction. So from here we can say that the shaded shapes is equals to 10. Shaded is equals to 10 and total is also equals to 10. Total is equals to 10. So we have to find out the fraction. Fraction is equals to shaded shapes divided by the total shapes. Shaded is 10 and total is 10. So 10 divided by the 10 is equals to 1. So 1 is the answer to this part. 10 divided by 10 can be written, or 1 can also be written. Let's move to the 8th part. In this 8th part, let's find out the total number of parts, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are total 9 parts, and out of this 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 are shaded. Total are 9 and out of this 4 are shaded. So from here we can say that in this 8th, so we can say that the total are 9, out of which shaded is 4. So we have to find out the fraction. So fraction is equals to the shaded divided by the total. So shaded is 4 and total is 9. So fraction from here is equals to 4 divided by, fraction is 4 divided by 9. So this is the answer to the part 8. Now in this part 9, this flower is given. We are going to calculate its petal. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 petals are there, out of which 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 petals are shaded. So from here we have to find out the fraction of shaded to the total. So from here we can say that in the part 9th, total shapes is equals to 8, out of which shaded shape is equals to 4. So fraction is equals to shaded shapes divided by the total shapes. That is equals to 4 divided by the 8. We can also write this as 4 divided by 8, and we can also write this as 1 divided by 2. So this is the answer to the part 9th of this question. So in this part 10 we are given two parts, part 1 and part 2. So total number of shapes are 2, and out of which half is colored, which means one part is colored and one is not colored. So we have to find out the fraction in this case. So from here we can say that total shapes is equals to 2, out of which shaded shapes is equals to 1. So fraction from here is equals to total divided by the it's shaded divided by the total. So this is equals to 1 divided by 2. So we can say that the answer to this part is 1 divided by 2. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of fractions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.